Go ahead and stop that and jump right into this. All right. Like I said, it's JL the Anti-Guru. I apologize. I originally was going to interview uh, a business owner who just happened to be my cousin. And she hit me up a little while ago and she couldn't make it. So, not wanting to disappoint you, we're going to continue, and I'm going to continue to do one more lesson on copywriting secrets. This is secret number 25, which is stealth closes. This is one that you you really want to try to check out, and I'm going to give you a lot of reasons why. But because stealth closing, being able to sell without selling, is a skill. It's not. It's easy, but it's not easy. But it is doable. But people's their sales radar is always up. And you ever heard the term everybody wants to buy, nobody wants to be sold. So that's really how that comes about. And most people, hey, I don't want to be sold something because my wife's gonna get mad at me because I done pulled the credit card out and I'm buying something that I shouldn't really buy. So people's defenses are always up. So learning how to stealth close is something. It's a skill that you really want to learn and you want to use. So how it works, and this may excuse me, I have to drink a little bit more water. Some of you may not be old enough to remember there was an old detective show called Columbo, and Columbo, he was this kind of bumbling little detective, and there will be some kind of crime go on, and he's walking around looking inept and looking like he don't have a clue what's going on, and all the while he's observing everything. And so the criminals, they kind of don't consider him a threat, so they don't pay him any kind of attention. And anywhere from the last 30 seconds to the last 5 minutes of the show, he starts asking simple little questions, and then he'll get to where they think he's about done, and they think they're going to walk away, and he'll go, oh, by the way, or let me ask you one more question, and that next question they'll answer, and it'll incriminate them. So that's kind of what we're talking about here, is getting people to let their guard down. So and the stealth close always starts with 3 simple words. By the way. And you can use stealth close in almost everything. It works really well in email teasers. Now, if you're going to use it in an email teaser, you might want to do like the PS at the end. But it's a 2-step process. First, you want to give people some kind of value, something that's going to enhance them, give them some kind of benefit, and then you invite them to do something. And normally, it doesn't always have to be something that's going straight to your offers. It could be some other kind of software. It could be a free report. It could be a video. It could be a lot of different things. Like, say you sent your email list an article about, it doesn't really matter, whatever it is. And then you, at the end, you say, oh, by the way, don't forget to sign up for my free workshop that's related to the article that you just sent them. So, you can use it to get people to sign up, to subscribe to your list, subscribe to your blog, subscribe to your newsletter. Another one, like I say, talking about a blog, you could have a blog toast. That's that new thing. You got to get a blog toast, a blog post. And say you got a blog post that you send out to your list or you share it on social media. And, at the end of the post, you might say, well, by the way, check out this free tool that goes along with your blog post. Say you were talking about copywriting. Or if you were selling books, you might send out some type of resource about how to sell books or how to publish books. Or if you were selling your own book, you might say, well, by the way, sign up here and you can get 3 chapters of my book in audio. So you can offer them something like that. But another way that works really well is if you are learning new skills, if you are learning how to do new things, especially for you internet marketers, excuse me, especially for you internet marketers, if you are e-commerce, even if you have a brick and mortar business, if you have an online presence, this technique can be used offline as well as online. Excuse me, I got something in my throat. But the thing is, when you teach something, after you teach them something, then you want to use the by the way statement that ties into the advantage of what you're getting ready to send them to, but it should go along with what you just taught them. And those benefits, I'm going to give you, they're actually 10, and I talked about this in another live, but 5 of the benefits that you always want to garner your offers, your tools, any kind of thing that you're trying to get them to go to. It should help them earn money, or help them save money, save time, avoid effort, escape mental and physical pain. Now, if you want to know, by the way, if you want to know what the other 5 were, you can always pick up a free copy of Copywriting Secrets. If you are interested in that, just put free copy in the comments, and I will send you a link where you can pick that up. But the terms that you want to use, you want to make step closes, and you want to make it a habit, because this is where you can increase your profits. Because remember, people's guard is always up. Everybody wants to buy, nobody wants to be sold. And so this helps you to get them to lower their defenses, and you kind of fly under the radar. And you can stick that little call to action in, but it doesn't really sound like a call to action, because it complements and goes along with whatever you have first presented to them in the first place. So the words you want to use by the way, or did you know, or did you realize. So I'm going to open up the book and give you some other examples in the book so that it can make it a little more real. So you might want to say, by the way, did you know that you can blank with blank? Yep, it's true. Go here for more information. Or, by the way, did you know blank will help you blank? Yep, it's true. Go here for a quick demo. Or, by the way, did you know we still have blank available? Yep, it's true. Or and you don't have to use this verbatim. Go here to find out more. So, as you can see, this is how you can use that. You can use that when you are texting people. You are use it when you are sending people emails. You can definitely use it when you are sending out, doing a post on social media, blog posts. The uses are just endless, So remember, step closes are a way to increase your profits. So remember, the wording that you want to use is, by the way, did you know, did you realize? And you can use these again in emails. You can use them virtually anywhere that you are using copy. Again, that's why I say, by the way, you need to go ahead and pick up this book. But, I want to summarize, because I've been on here for a few minutes. Didn't want to be too long. But remember, people's sales radar is always up, no matter what. Everybody wants to buy, nobody wants to be sold. Step closes help you fly under the radar so that you can get them to take the action that you want them to take, whether it's sign up for a newsletter, or subscribe to your list, or pick up this free offer, or even if you can direct it to something that's going to pay you, one of your offers, business opportunity, all of those things, you can tie this in to that. And so here's what I want you to do. I want you to make a commitment that you'll include step closes somewhere in your free or paid content, and to drive people to your offers. Try to do that. So again, now if you, by the way, that if you're not good at writing copy, you can, I'm offering I can give you more information on funnel scripts, which is a copywriting tool. But here's even better. You can try a free demo and try it out, 100% free. And I will, if you are interested in trying out the demo, type demo in the comments, and I'll send you a link where you can go pick that up and try funnel scripts for free. So again, let me summarize again. Remember, people's sales radar is always up. Stealth closes help you to fly under the radar and get people to take the action that you want them to take. And finally, make a commitment to use stealth closes in your paid or free content somewhere um, to drive people to take your offers. All right. Oh, one other thing I wanted to show you. I got ordered some new hats for my business. Got anti-guru marketing on it. Really proud of that. But again, I wanted to share that with you. If this information has been helpful, if you found value in it, please like it, please share it, please make your comments. Again, if you're interested in in trying out funnel scripts demo, just put demo in the comments. If you want to get a free copy of Copywriting Secrets, also just put in excuse me, what did I say? Copywriting Secrets. We can put in free offer, free book. And remember, I got a new motto. My 3 R's are respect yourself, respect others, and take responsibility for your actions. We'll see you next week. Later.